Hey guys, at the range today. I've got 20 gauge out and AR out. I've got my little 22 Rossi mag out. This thing, my old eyes, I need a scope. But I brought the Marlin out today, and it blew up in my face. So barrel mushroomed in the chamber. So yeah, it is what it is. It's an old gun, but anyways, I'm gonna shoot dynamics through this. I have some Hornet A V Maxes. This is what this thing was sighted in on, but I am fresh out of Hornet A V Maxes. So anyways, so here in a couple of weeks, I'm a lefty. I can shoot right. It just don't feel natural. So I've got another AR coming in. Well, it's a lower, and I got to put an upper on it, but kind of windy out here. I don't know. I'm going to see what I can do. Yeah, I don't really have video equipment or any of that because I'm a cheap guy, you know. But anyways, let's see. Wonder if I can you guys maybe. Yeah, just there we go. Headphone subscribers, whatever you do. Yeah, yeah, you might want to turn her down. But anyways, here we go. That's 10. Let's go check her out. This is a 50-yard range. Got a 25 on the left, 100 on the right, and then a shotgun on the other side. So which this is like a $299 right off the rack AR. It's a Delton and has a 22 mag scope for 40 bucks from Walmart. It's like a bushnell or something like that, but throwed it on, zeroed it. Yeah, it ain't the greatest, but you know, it is what it is. Needs a lot of dialing, but I've got a LFPO coming in. It's a Buckmaster, so just playing around with the range today. Take care, Al. Have a good one.